Okay, I am so glad you are here. Now, I am going to walk you through what you are going to get when you gain access to this course, when you gain access to Ad Account Protector Blueprint. And this course is divided into three sections. The first section, you are going to see what you are to do and what you are not to do to protect your ad account, to protect your profile, to protect your page from being disabled. The first thing you are going to see there is 18 mistakes that every advertiser must avoid to prevent ad account being restricted or disabled. These are very, very important. So if you don't know about this 18 mistake, you will continue to be suffering from account restriction and disable from time to time, and it will never get better. All right, so the next lesson you are going to see is how to verify your identity on Facebook to be able to run ads successfully without having identity verification failure. This is what a lot of advertisers are suffering from: identity verification failure. And if you are privileged to get this course at the right time, you are not going to have such problem anymore. Okay, then the next thing you are going to see is my first ad in a new ad account. Here you are going to learn the criteria you are going to follow to create your first ad if it is a new ad account or a new profile or a new page, so that you ensure that your account is healthy from the beginning. If you don't do this and you have issue with your first ad, it means that the life of that ad account will continue to have issues. So I have put this together so that you avoid all those. And here you are going to learn how you can boost your posts in case you are using phone. And in section 2, you are going to learn how you are going to gain access to my fast action bonuses. And the first one you are going to see is how I was able to get my profile that was permanently restricted back, so that in case your own is already permanently restricted, you will know exactly what to do. And in case you have such problem in future, you will also know what to do. And the second section, the second bonus you have is how you can grow your Facebook group. Growing your Facebook group is very, very important, because you will be able to promote your product for free if you are your group admin. With this Facebook group, it's not every time you will be running ad. You will be promoting your product for free if you have a Facebook group. And I'm going to be showing you how you can grow your Facebook group. Managing group can be very, very time consuming if you don't know the way to go about it. But here I am going to show you shortcut that I also use to grow my own Facebook group. And the third bonus you have is from knowledge to cash. This is showing you how you can create an information product that you can sell online and raise some cash for yourself. It's a course on its own. If I open it up now, you will see that there are up to 15 videos in that course. There are up to 15 videos, and this is only going to be available for few sets of people. You can see I've opened it up here. You can see there are up to 15 videos here. It's not going to be available for everybody. It's only going to be available for people that gain access within this promo period. All right, then you also see Thrive Architect Page Builder. This is the same drag and drop page builder that I used to build my landing page, and I'm going to be giving to the first set of people that gain access to this course within the promo period. It's not going to be available for everybody, only few. Okay, then the next one you are going to see is mode of reality as the reason why most people struggle financially. You will agree with me that the way you think is the way you take decision, and what you do determines your finances. So this is going to unfold some secret that a lot of people do not know that is affecting them, and I think that it is their village people that is troubling them. Meanwhile, they are the problem of themselves. You are going to see some of those secrets in this book. This has transformed my life totally, and I'm going to be showing you some of those secrets. All right, then the next bonus you also see is how you can build an email list. Building an email list, if you have a business, is very, very important because you can't be spending money to run ad every time. You need an email list that you can promote your products economically. And I'm going to be showing you how you can build an email list if you have a tiny budget. And that is the same method I'm using that I will show you. Then in the extra, I will be showing you hide and seek method. What this does is that it's going to help you protect your ad account. Imagine if you have so many profiles to log in to the same computer, you will need a way to go around it. Otherwise, you are going to have issue. And that is exactly what this hide and seek method does, to show you how you can protect your profile from being flagged. All right, then I'll also be showing you landing page tutorial, how you can quickly design a simple and professional landing page in WordPress using Thrive Architect. That is the same method I use to build my landing page to promote my product. Then you're also going to learn Facebook ad for beginners complete guide. Here you are going to learn, in case you are new to running ad on Facebook, you are going to learn how you can create your page, how you can set up your page to be ad policy compliant, how you can link your page, your Facebook page and your Instagram page. Then you are going to learn what type of ad you are going to create for the first time, so that your account and profile continue to be healthy. All right, so these are just summary of what you are going to get in this training. I hope I'm going to see you in the members area. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the members area. Bye.